on your Facebook page now, if you don't want your page to have series of problems, do you know that people can gain access to posting on your page without your knowledge? Like, people can post on your Facebook page without you knowing. I'm going to show you in this video where you can go so that people cannot be able to have access to posting on your page. And people can be so funny that they could post something that could violate Facebook community standard and policy. Okay, so please make sure you watch this video to the end, as this will help you, because the truth is most people don't know that people can have access to posting on their Facebook page without them knowing. Continue watching as I walk you through. So like I said, to prevent people from having access to posting on your page, okay, is very, very important, because if everyone is given access, they can post what could go against Facebook community standards and guidelines. So this video is what you want to watch closely. It's easy and simple. The first thing you're going to do is to go to Facebook. You tap to open. I'm in my page now. The next thing you're going to do is to go to your profile picture at the top right. You tap, go down. You're going to see settings and privacy. You tap on this arrow. Next, you go to settings. You tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, you're going to go down. You keep going down until you see page and tagging. So this is where you want to go. Tap on page and tagging. Once you tap on page and tagging, you're going to see viewing and sharing. Now under viewing and sharing, you're going to see who can post on your page. So this is where you want to go. Who can post on your page? As you guys can see, only me can post on my page. Okay, so all you need to do is just to tap on this drop down arrow. You're going to see option. So make sure yours is turned to only me. So if yours is turned to only me like mine, only you would have access to post on your page. But if it's turned to everyone, everybody or everyone could gain access posting on your page, and you don't like that. So if you don't want people to gain access posting on your page, make sure that you turn this particular settings to only me. So you have to choose your audience by choosing only you, so that only you can have access to post on your page. This is very, very, very important. I've had this experience, where this was not turned on. I felt it was on only me. I didn't know it was everyone, and my page kept having series of issues, not until I went to check this particular area and I saw that it was turned to everyone. So I had to turn it off. So please, if you don't want people to have access posting on your page, this is where you want to go and turn it to only me. Okay, that is how you can prevent people from having access to posting on your page. Okay, hope this was helpful. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.